that push, that's where you're really going to work at a new
The Culinary Arts program at Gateway is one of the best in that we have some of the finest kitchens in the area to learn in. There is a class that touches on every aspect of working in food service. And we go through everything, how to hold a knife, how to use a knife, all the way to making advanced artisan breads and dining room service in a fine dining atmosphere.
Go ahead and get that one wrapped, get it with your initials in the cooler as well.
And we touch on all of those different skill sets throughout your time here at Gateway.
Once you get into a kitchen, you're gonna be learning so many different things. You know, I've done different types of meats and pastas, and right now I'm taking a baking class right now, so we're doing all kinds of pies and cakes, and it's always gonna be a new challenge, a new technique. So that's what I always look forward to.
The best way to learn how to cook is to actually be cooking.
Good texture to it once it's filled.
Everything we do at Gateway in our culinary program is hands-on.
Yeah, classes are very hands-on. Like right now, students are making pasta, so chef is always there to give us guidance and help us if we're stuck. It's definitely a good experience to have.
All the instructors are trained chefs with years and years of experience and enjoy nothing more than sharing that passion with our students through that hands-on learning and that hands-on time in the kitchen.
I think it's great. I mean, you walk into the kitchen, it feels like you're in a restaurant facility. I mean, we have everything we need, we have all the tools, you're gonna learn by doing things hands-on. It's important that we're having that ability here at Gateway.
We have 2 certificates, a technical diploma and our associate's degree, and each one is embedded within the other. So when you graduate with your associate's degree, you're getting a lot for it. So if you're interested in the culinary arts or food service, Gateway is definitely the way to go. State-of-the-art kitchens, top chefs teaching you the skills that you'll need, and you can't really go wrong with a degree or experience in culinary.